Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna explain you priority set in AF SingleShot. So here we have 5 page of first block settings in main menu, and here we have priority setting autofocus as, so SingleShot. Open it, and here we have this setting determines the priority when the camera is set to autofocus as SingleShot mode, which focus once when you half press the shutter button, only half press, okay? So AF, the camera prioritizes achieving focus before releasing the shutter. It will not take the photo until the subject is in focus. Release, the camera prioritizes releasing the shutter even if the focus isn't perfect. This is useful if capturing the moment is more important than achieving perfect focus. Balanced emphasis. This setting balanced the need for focus and the timing of the shutter release, trying to find a middle ground. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye.